Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through all my jewellery. It's been highly requested on my Instagram, so I'm going to go through all my earrings and necklaces and rings and some hair clips, so let's get into it. I always wear this necklace. It says FAB. If you know what that stands for, you're an OG subscriber. It's my boyfriend's nickname because his full name is Fabian, so Fab. People call him Fab. It was sent to me from MK Jewelers. They do customizable jewellery, so if you're after something like it's perfect for a gift, or yeah, if you want something personal to put on your neck, or they also do personal rings, customizable rings, so I'll leave their link down below. And I actually have 4 ear piercings. I have my cartilage, my double on this ear, and then just my normal piercings. I like to wear this cross earring in my double sometimes. It's from Princess Polly. They obviously came in a pair, but I just like to wear the one on this ear. These hoops were gifted to me and I cannot remember the brand that sent them to me. I like full stalked my Instagram. I tried to remember it and find the page, but I can't remember where they're from. If I do, I'll leave it on the screen, so I'm sorry. They're really cool though. They're like barbed wire kind of tied into a circle kind of vibe. Let's get into earrings. So I recorded myself talking about each earring, but the audio turned out really bad with those noisy crickets in the background. I didn't realize how loud they were. So enjoy this little montage of all my earrings. All the hoop styles are my favorite and they are what I wear most of the time for photos and videos. If I need some plain hoops, I'll go to Colette, Lovisa, Cotton On, H&M, just to get those packs that have heaps of hoops and in different sizes. Yes, I just get the cheap hoops. I don't like spending money on jewellery, to be honest. I love these silver hoops that I got from Cotton On. They're more of a flat design, so they're not like your typical round hoop, but they're just good statements to have. They came in like a small, medium and a large size. But yeah, I have a lot of plain hoops like that in gold and silver, so I won't show you all of them. I just get them from whatever place has a good price and a good deal with a pack of all the sizes. Anna Luisa sent me these beautiful little hoops. They've got the twirl design. They're more of an everyday hoop that I like to wear. They're really pretty and sweet. I'll leave their links down below. Anna Luisa is an amazing brand because they use sustainable materials. I think those are all the earrings I have to show. If I'm not wearing statement earrings or big hoops, I'm just wearing little plain sleepers. I get little sterling silver hoops from Proud's Jewelers. Okay, I'll quickly go through some rings. this one right here. These two are from Pandora. The middle one is from my mum, who gave it to me when I was in hospital in January when I had the kidney infection. She gave me that to cheer me up, which is very sweet. And she also gave me this gold one, she also gave me this gold one from Pandora, which is really pretty. I got it when I turned 16. These two are really pretty and you can wear them separate or together. I forget the name, I'll have to find it because that's the same name brand that I cannot remember. This middle one was my dad's, I'm pretty sure, so that was a hand-me-down. Those are the main rings I wear, and then I also have this one which Fabian gave me, I think it was for our 4th year anniversary. It's a pretty rose gold cross design and it's, yeah, from Swarovski. I've also got some hair clips that I'll go through. So these cute butterfly ones that you might have seen on my Instagram, I just get from eBay. So yeah, these are cute if you're wearing an outfit and you want to spice up your hairdo, and you can choose a color that matches your outfit. Very cute. These white ones I wear a lot on my Instagram. They're from Cotton On. They came in a pack. Cotton On and Supre tend to have cute hair accessories, so I like to wear these ones like this. They're more of a bigger butterfly design. I got these from ASOS. They came in this white and also a purple, which I use a lot as well, in the same way, but they're just a different design. I love accessorizing curly hair with clips. It just is such a cute look. I think a lot of places sell these kind of clips now because they were very much in trend. So I've got a few different colors and I got mine from Supre and Cotton On. These remind me of my childhood and they're very 2000s, 90s vibes. MissLola.com also have some cute accessories. If you go look at their hair accessories, they have lots of clips. And I got these word ones. I also have more words, but this is the XOXO one and the love one. There's also like sexy and baby girl and stuff like that. Yeah, these are cute too. They're very sparkly. You can layer them together. Alright, I think I'll end the video there. I do have a lot of accessories, but I didn't want to go through everything. I wanted to go through the main things that I wear for photos and everyday life. Hopefully this gives you some inspo. Don't go and spend all your money on jewellery. A lot of this was sent to me for collabs. But I'll list the brands down below if you are after a particular style of necklace or earrings. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me next. I'm on uni break, so I'm trying to pump out as much content and videos as I can. I really love doing it. I can't believe how fast it's growing. I just can't. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe and like this video. I hope you're all well and you're staying happy and healthy. Bye!